माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Papers to be laid on the table. Shriman Sadiq Chandra Dubey ji.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 1 के क पर उल्लेखित कागजातों को सदन के सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
Shriman Sanjay Seth ji.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy each of the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1B in today's list of business.
Shriman Togan Sahu ji.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1 ग पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभापटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. Shriman Ravangwara Narsari ji.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the 24th, 25th, 26th and 27th reports on action taken report by the government of the Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers as listed in serial number 2 against my name in today's list of business. Thank you, sir.
Shriman statements by ministers. Shriman Suresh Gopi ji.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to make the statement in the House listed against my name at serial number 3-1 in today's list of business regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations, observations of the Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas for various reports on demands for grants pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. These are A. First, 2nd, 5th, 10th, 18th reports of 17th Lok Sabha and B. 1st, 2nd and 7th reports of 18th Lok Sabha. These may be please considered as read. Thank you.
Shriman Sadiq Chandra Dubey ji.
आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 3 की 2 पर उल्लेखित खान मंत्रालय के अनुदान मांगों के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित कोयला खान और इस्पात संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति की 19वीं रिपोर्ट में निहित सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति में के संबंध में वक्तव्य सदन के सभापटल पर रखता हूं।
I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee in the meeting held today, that is on the 27th July 2026, has allocated 7 hours for consideration and passing of the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Amendment Bill 2026 after it is introduced, considered and passed by Lok Sabha. Matters raised with permission. So everybody take your seat. I will give you opportunity to everyone. You please take your seat. You please take your seat. I will give you opportunity to everyone. First LOP Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, please.
Sir, I have given a notice under Rule 267 of the Rules of Procedure conduct.
Gange ji, it is already, I have given the ruling, that ruling has not been designed by me, that has been designed by our predecessor, Krishnakant ji, under the membership of Manmohan Singh ji, Pranab Mukherjee, Vajpayee ji, and so many leading personalities. Again and again we are raising this. This is, see,
Sir,
I have to go by the rules or I have to break the rules, you tell me.
in this house only, Honorable Deputy Chairman, he told in some important occasions,
Rarest of the rarest
this is-
occasion,
this
then
is
only
a
it is
rare-
possible.
This is a rarest subject.
The rarest of the rarest should be
No.
consensus of the whole house.
It is-
not there what I can do.
It is never happened in the history of India that the boys were beaten and they were dragged. The palace
House is getting again to make against
and
full note.
Amit Shah ji